Hi, thanks for purchasing the Easy Posture Corrective Therapy Back Brace from Core24. In this video, I'll show you how to use and make adjustments to your brace. First, open the package and unfold the brace. The brace has two adjustable shoulder straps. We recommend starting with the straps in the loosest position. To adjust the length, simply pull the strap through the metal clasp. Next, pull the brace over your shoulders and secure the main belt at the waist using the Velcro straps. Use the secondary adjustment straps to tighten the waist even more. Once you've adjusted the straps, pull the main belt down. You should feel gentle pulling on the shoulders. If you feel minor discomfort in the underarm area, do not panic. This will disappear as you get used to having your spine in proper alignment. It's recommended you wear an undershirt underneath the brace to protect from rubbing in the underarm area. If you don't feel the sensation of having your shoulders pulled back, remove the brace and adjust the shoulder straps. It may take a few tries to get it just right. You should not be in any pain. If you're in pain for any reason, try adjusting the straps for a more comfortable fit. If pain persists, it's likely you have the wrong size and you should contact us for assistance. Start off wearing the brace for 15 to 20 minutes. Having the shoulders pulled back and sitting or standing with your spinal column in proper alignment will likely be a new sensation for your body. So you'll want to ease your body into this new feeling. Take a break for a few hours and then put the brace on again. Slowly, over time, increase the duration you wear the brace for. After wearing the brace for some time, you'll notice that you're more conscious of the position that your spinal column is in, and you'll start to sit straighter and stand taller. For some braces, the soft neoprene we use can have a faint scent upon arrival. To remove the scent, simply wash the brace in the washing machine. Use cold water and mild detergent on a gentle or delicate setting. To dry, lay the Easy Posture brace on a towel to air dry, or hang it from a clothes hanger. The Easy Posture Corrective Therapy Back Brace is an amazing product that can help you pull your shoulders back to attain proper posture. But it's when you adopt a daily exercise routine and combine that with the use of the Easy Posture Corrector that you'll really see incredible results with your spinal health. Thanks for supporting Core24, and let us know if you need anything at all.